Alright, this is our next Instant Insanity type challenge. So those are the maps of the cubes. Notice that we have red, and G is for gold again, blue, and W is for white, which I'm using silver stickers to represent. So there's the cubes built according to that model, and I've got them labeled 1 through 4 so that we can tell which is which. Once I built the cubes, then I did the map of the cubes like we talked about last time. So if you want to pause here and see if you can build the same map and have that skill under your belt, that would be phenomenal. Notice once you're done, you want to see 3 lines labeled 1, 3 lines labeled 2, and 3 lines labeled 3, and 3 lines labeled 4, so that you have all 3 pairings for each cube represented. So now we're going to take a look and see if we can find a walk amongst these letters and see if we can get all of them included. So again, I like to always look at the loop. So if I use a loop for B, I'm going to need, that's the loop for 2. I'll need a 1, 3, and 4 along here. Okay, so definitely 3s are here, but then if you look down here, I've only got a 2 and a 3 to work with, so I can't get a 1 and 4, I can't get a 1, 3, 4 walk going on there. Alright, so what we'll do then is probably, because I don't have anything connecting over here, I can't pair that with these here, so we'll probably be doing top to bottom butterfly. And when we do that, notice that we've got a 1 and a 3 here, we've got a 2 and a 3 here. So when we use the 3 here, we'll use the 2 here. When we use the 1 here, we'll use the 3 here, and hopefully we will be able to fill in the other numbers in the center. So if you want to pause and take a look and see if you can find those, I'm going to skip ahead to the work that I already did, finding those. Now that I've got them mapped out, I'm actually going to just highlight them and make sure that I have 2 mutually exclusive paths that work here. So I've got 1 on the top going with 2 crisscross, 3, and then 4. So that's 1 across the top, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so there's that first one, and we could use that one for fronts and backs. And then we'll use another color to represent the top to bottom. So 1 here, 2 here, 4 along here, and then we'll make use of that 3 up here. So we do have 2 mutually exclusive paths that use each number once and each color once. Or each color twice, actually. Two paths come into each color. Alright, so now using that map, let's solve the cubes. So let's see if I can get this all in one frame here. There we go. Okay, so cube number 1, front to back, we're doing this across the top here, so that's blue, white. So there's blue and white, perfect, all done. Cube number 2 would be white, gold. So there's white and gold. And again, since I put white on the back in the first cube, I'll put it in the front in the second cube. So now we've got blue, white, and white, gold. All right, cube number 3 is down here, so that's a red gold combo. Let's find that. There it is, red gold. So look in here, red, but if I look in the back, I've got a double gold, so let's just rotate that with the red in the back this time. Now I've got red, gold, white, and here in the front I've got blue, white, gold. Okay, it's hard to see that that's a white right there, not blue. It's reflecting funny. Alright, and then we've got number 4, so cube 4, we have a blue-red combination that we need. So blue, red, these 2, and we need the red in the front to complete that set of 4, and we need the blue in the back. Okay, so that's our front back mapping all done. Okay, so now we use the green paths to do the top bottom. So cube 1, we need a blue red. So there's blue red, we'll just leave it as it is, red on top, blue on the bottom. Number 2 is gold red. So again, since red is on the top from cube number 1, we'll put the gold on the top for cube number 2. So right now we've got red gold and we've got blue red under there. And notice again, I'm just spinning these, I'm not moving the front back. That's already set. And number 3 up here would be blue white. So let's find blue white. And again, if I do blue white this way, actually that might work. So white on top with the gold and the red. Oops, that didn't work. So let's spin that one, and we'll leave the blue on top with the gold and the red, and then we've got blue, red, white on the bottom. Okay, last one. Then we've got, now cube number 4 is white, gold. So let's figure out, we need the white on top, and gold on the bottom should give us a solution there as well. And then again, your front and your back were solved before with the first loop. All right, and there's your solution.